I'm Nigel Ponton and I'm the UK Fleet Engineering Manager for Cemex. So we're currently operating over 100 tipper vehicles. So to purchase 20 new DAF XD model vehicles is a significant investment for Cemex in the UK. We have a long-standing relationship with DAF Trucks and we've always valued the safety features that come with the product. And in recent years, with the launch of the XD vehicle and range of vehicles, we saw an opportunity to upgrade to the XD cab. The XD cab offers greater visual effect to the driver. It meets the criteria with a 4-star rating for the TfL requirements in London and the DBS requirements. So the vehicles have been spec'd with mirrorless technology. After a little bit of apprehension, the drivers have absolutely adopted the technology and outperformed the mirrors that have been fitted to the previous fleets in terms of visibility, night vision, clarity, all exceeding expectations. We also have the passenger side door fitted with a lower glass to enable the driver with greater view for vulnerable road users. So with the new XD models and the new drivetrains that have become available to us, we've seen greater miles per gallon performance on the runs that we're doing, benchmarks against other makes and also the older fleet that we had. So the drivers love the new cabs. At the end of the day, the cab is their office, it's their working environment, they need to be comfortable. Part of the process on purchasing these trucks, we actively involve them within the procurement process, enabling them to talk about what makes them comfortable, what makes them happy in their working environment, what we can do as a company to provide them with a safer workplace.